Do you have water damage? Restoration of water damage achieves the best results when you act quickly and decisively by removing water and then dehumidify, dry and sanitize the affected areas. When you're faced with a flooded property, water damage restoration can seem a huge undertaking. To achieve the best results, seek the help of the experts. If you need water damage restoration in London, call the Water and Flood Damage Restoration London Company, Thames Flood Restoration on 020 3404 5116 or visit www.thamesfloodrestoration.co.uk. Using skilled contractors, we can rebuild and refurbish any damaged areas of your property quickly, efficiently and beautifully.